Welcome to Draft Form W-4 2020. So first let's talk about what we're going to review today. So first we're going to talk about W-4 requirements, understanding the requirements of the Form W-4 and what you need to be aware of as of today and how that will impact how you handle the new form as well. We're going to talk about electronic forms. Some of you may already be electronic or may be wanting to go electronic. So there's changes because of the new form. So we're going to review that and make sure that you are aware of all of those changes and what you may need to be doing even today to start preparing your systems for the new W-4. We're going to talk about completing the Form W-4. So how do you properly complete it today? What will that look like tomorrow? What will not change? What will change? So we're going to review all of that. We're going to talk about an invalid form. So for a W-4 form to be considered invalid, what does that mean? Will that change as well? And yes, it will. So we're going to talk about that. Exempt W-4s. We will still have exempt W-4s today and with the new draft forms. We're going to talk about that. We're going to do a little bit of a legislative update, kind of talk about where we started when it came to the tax reform bill and why there's such a significant change to the Form W-4. This is the biggest change to the Form W-4 since its inception in the 1840s. So this is a huge deal for employers. We're going to review the draft, both drafts. We actually have two drafts. We had an original draft and we have a near final draft. Not typical of the IRS to do. Usually the IRS does a draft and a final. However, due to some of these changes and some things we may need to start working on right now, that draft of the form is, that near final draft was necessary. We're going to talk about why and what the IRS anticipates there.